So guys, we finished the brake failure problem. Got all new brake lines onto it, and now we're gonna do the finishing touch first. Over here I have this plastic band, rubber, and the brake is really great. It feels really hard. I put it on my rubber band for a few days now, but one night should be enough. Then you check all the couplings if they are not leaking, all the banjo bolts and stuff. Now I'm gonna take the parts and give them a clean. Still got friends. So first get the lid off, clean it, and then we have that diaphragm. Not sure how. Yeah. Give that a really good clean too. Inside and outside. With this one you need to be careful, as it's over 40 years old, huh? So yes. Okay. Yep. And of course, that white ring. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. Yes. Now, we're gonna fill it. And then it's finished. Get this out of the way for a moment. Up. First we're gonna get the handle totally horizontal, so needs a tiny bit. And now it's nice horizontal. Okay. Perfect. Then we fill it up. Carefully. Oops, it's too much, way too much. Tiny bit out. Then have a look. The diaphragm. Okay. Yes, this is. I always stay a bit underneath the max. As you fill it and you push the diaphragm in, it comes out. Now, see? Sits nice in place. Then we put that one on top. Wait a minute. This one, see? You have to screw it in. So, here. Okay. Give it a last final clean. Yes. So guys, that was my video about actually renewing the brake lines, did a rebuild on the master brake cylinder. Hope you liked it, and if you do, please consider a subscription. I would really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Also important for the algorithm of YouTube. One thing. In the meanwhile, I bought this one, and that's a plier to get that circlip out. It was really a hassle, and in the description below you can find the tools you need. Click on them, order them, and do yourself a favor. This one cost, I think, 15 or 20 dollar, and it's worth its weight in gold. It's a really hassle to get that circlip out without this tool. So I bought one myself for the next time I need it. And for now, Old Mechanic out.